दोयरो आसा, फुडल्यान रेल्वे ट्रॅक आहा आनी ही वाट तेमी तो बंद करीत आमचे एकदम हाल जातले.
And when we have a double track, it's going to be difficult to do anything in this house at all.
After giving various letters also, there is nothing that has happened. No one is listening to us.
We are going to be locked in our own house. The gate is going, we are not going to have access from our gate.
आमची पांड काबार केली. पावसान ह्या लोकांक बुडोवन मारपाचें.
जेन्ना स्वताच्या जमनीर स्वताच्या घराक जेन्ना आपणाक बंद करून दवरता तेन्ना खंय तरी आमचे जे फंडेमेंटल रायट आसात तेजेर खंय तरी प्रश्न उबो रावता.
For 5 long years, Velsa villagers have fought tirelessly for their survival. But now, their battle has reached a devastating turning point, as it is being buried under the heaps of earth displaced by the railway. The Indian Railways, without warning or consent, has encroached upon the land, dumping debris that has sealed off entire homes. The once vibrant lanes where children played are now barricaded, the air thick with coal dust, and the silence of justice deafening.
I'm the owner of this house, and you can see that the land filling has been done out over here, and it's a great difficulty for us to enter and exit our place. Also, you can see that my car is in over there, and I cannot bring it out. And they have the railways and the Surya Constructions or whoever ISW are, they have not informed us anything. They have not acquired the land over here, nor any intimation has been given to us over here that they will be doing land filling or they will be doing the railway thing that has been started out over here.
We are going to be locked in our own house. The gate is going, we are not going to have access from our gate. Already with one track, our house is rattling, things are breaking. Can you imagine our plight when they have the second track? I don't know. The government is not going to think of us common people.
And
my mother is 90 years old. How do we take her across?
The issue is basically about the ownership of the land and the road. Residents insist that the land being used for the railway expansion has been in their possession for generations. They show land documents dating back to the Portuguese era, officially recognized by the Goa Revenue Department. These records clearly define the railway track as the eastern boundary of their land. They have submitted the documents and legal evidence to the state's Land Records Department and other authorities to prove their ownership. Yet, despite their appeals, the state government remains unresponsive to their concerns.
WIPR established केलो 1890. तेच्या पयलें हो जागो आमचो लोकांचो ही कॅरेज वे आसली. कॅरेज वे म्हळ्यार कितें? कॅरेज वे म्हळ्यार आमची घोड्यां गाडी, बैलगाडी, पालखी व्हरपाची आनी आख्खो गांवांत हो सर्वीस कोतालो, सर्वीस रोड म्हूण आसलो. मागीर आमी तेन्ना ती WIPR वेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया पोर्चुगीज रेल्वे एस्टॅब्लिश केली 1890 इन लंडन. आनी लंडन स्टॉक एक्सचेंजार लिस्ट जाली तेन्ना हो रस्तो आनी आमच्या पुर्वजान तांकां पुर्तुगेज गव्हर्मेंटा मेळोन हो आमकां रायट ऑफ वे दवरलो दोनी वाटेन.
Residents claim their land, homes, and even their basic right to movement are being threatened by the railway expansion project. They say railway officials are conducting surveys in secrecy, marking boundaries that, shockingly, cut through homes. Beyond ownership disputes, residents also fear for their safety. Constant train activity has caused visible damage to their homes.
आमकां एक रिक्षा येताली अशी, एक ॲम्ब्युलन्स येतालें, गार्बेज वॅन येतालें, आमचें गॅस वॅन येतालें, ओके. आनी एक घर देखो सारकें करूंक जाय जाल्यार एक धाकली पिकअप देखो येताली कितें सामान हाडपाक. पूण आतां ते रेल्वेज म्हणटाय आमी बॅरिकेड कोत्ताय आनी आमकां कितें जातलें आमचें? आमी खंयच्यान वयतलीं क्रॉस करून बॅरिकेड केल्यार? आनी हेंच चोय हिंगा हें दुरी घरां आहाय तीं सगळीं घरां आहाय तीं रेल्वे ट्रॅका सायडीक more than 500, 400, 500, more than 500 years old. म्हजें घर is almost 550 years old आनी तेका क्रॅक इन मोडोंक पावलां.
Southwestern Railway is pushing double tracking without local approvals, claiming no need for state permissions. They've ignored the Panchayat's stop notice, refusing to verify land ownership. Residents demand clarity, but the railway won't listen. Worst of all, the state government remains indifferent to its own people.
आता सद्याक मुद्दो पळय हा जो लँड अँड सर्वे कोर्टान आसा मारगांव तितून सिद्ध जाता की डॉक्युमेंटेशन ऑफ द लँड एक्झिस्टिंग लँड बिलोंग्स टू द लँड ओनर्स हू आर इन पोसेशन ऑफ दिस फॉर सेवरल सेंचुरीज फॉरगेट अबाउट इयर्स. सो नाव वेन द मॅटर इज सब जुडिस रेल्वे हुकुमशाही इट इज लायक मुगल रूल. मुगल कितें करताले चोरताले व्हरताले लोकांक काबार करताले वयताले अशेंच जाला मुगल राज कसो जाला. म्हणजे कितें रेल्वे येता लोकांची घरां भितर कब्जा करता लोकांची घरां काबार करता आनी वयता म्हण अशें जालेलें आसा. सो इट इज हाय टायम वेर द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू एक्ट बिकॉज द रेल्वे कॅनॉट एक्ट सुप्रीम इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा.
The opposition to double tracking has been a relentless street struggle for over 4 years. For the land's heirs, it's a fight for survival. Despite the participation of hundreds, including activists and opposition leaders, the residents' cries for help remain unanswered.
Has the court given the go-ahead signal? Not yet. So without the court giving you the go-ahead signal, how can you start the work for laying the second track? And another important issue that I would like to bring to the notice of the government. I would like to ask the government, who are these who are living in these houses? Are they people or are they animals? And if they are people, shouldn't they be respected?
Everything was so quiet in this village. There were no problems. And all of a sudden, this the railway, they want to extend. I don't know for what reason. Just because of the coal. Yes. And what is coal? People are more important than the coal, isn't it?
ती ट्रेन जी आसा ही फूल कोळशाची ट्रेन आनी दुसरी ट्रेन जावन आसा जी हे रस्त्या वयल्यान क्रॉस जाता. अजून पर्यंत हांगा एक सुद्दां हांवें पॅसेंजर ट्रेन क्रॉस जातना पळोवना. हांगच्या लोकांचें म्हणणें आसा की एक जी पॅसेंजर ट्रेन वयता मडगांव टू वास्को या कुळे टू वास्को जी आसा ती ट्रेनी फक्त थोडेशे पॅसेंजर वयतात आनी हे एकूच ट्रेनी लागून डबल ट्रॅक कित्याक. आतां ही पळयात ही ट्रेन गेला सगळो कोळसो सगळो उडटा सगळो तोंडार बसता कोळसो. सो आतां ही ट्रेन आसा ती कोळशाक लागून कोळसो भरून गेल्लो ही ट्रेन आनी दुसरो जो ट्रॅक जातलो तोय कोळशाक लागून काय कितें.
For the people of Velsau, the fight is far from over. The courts, the authorities, and the nation must decide. This is not just about tracks and trains. This is about justice, about dignity, about a home before it becomes just another memory. With Goresh Sattarkar and Karste Miranda, Bureau Report, Herald Media.